Deadlocks here again. Today, Mrs. Deadlocks is going to handcuff me with the ASP M100 handcuffs behind the back.
Run away with all the keys.
And then run away with all the keys apparently. And then we're going to call for the fire brigade.
Yay, fire brigade! No, don't call the fire brigade, they're busy. You just have to deal with it.
Try not to get the sleeves involved in case they get jammed in the mechanism or something.
That'd be even funnier. Everyone will pay extra to see that. I forgot to double lock here. Ha!
That's double locked, both cuffs.
What are you actually using to escape with?
My fingers.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
You're going to be using some kind of metal thing.
I'm not using anything.
Liar.
I'm not lying.
You're a liar.
Not lying.
You're a liar.
See? Nothing.
Where's it? Where's it? It's in your back pocket.
There's nothing.
Oh, come and like...
Go on, search us.
I'm going to come and search
Come
you.
and search me.
I'm coming. I just want to drink the juice. Turn round. I want your pockets.
Go on.
I want to check them here. Come on, turn around. You little liar, pants on fire.
What?
You've got a bobby pin.
I didn't know that was there.
Liar, liar, pants. Fine, fine, come here then. Come here. Ah, precisely, you little poop bag. Cheetah, pumpkin eater.
So, that's...
Put them lower so I can show you. Your hand's in the way. Your hand's still in the way. Goodness me. I'm still in the way. Jeez.
So it'd be handy to be ambidextrous, which I'm clearly not.
Well, you need to learn this skill.
I don't think ambidextrous is a skill to learn.
It is. The more you practice with it, the better you get. Like any skill, if you don't use it, you lose it.
Just couldn't get the double lock for some reason.
So one thing that irritates me is that yes, everyone has a dominant hand, but you can train your other hand as well.
I say.
It's a skill that anybody can learn.
So I have to work on it though.
Yes. Just like anything, if you're picking a lock, you can do it with both hands if you practice. And that goes for everybody. Practice makes perfect. That's my 2 cents worth this week. Practice makes perfect.
Okay. So now that Mrs. Deadlock said her 2 cents, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.